and it was so smooth. I left the company on 22nd September, and on 24th September I was joining the second company, because you have to know that yeah, these are the laws that are present in India, and a company can't ask you to pay for the whole month's salary. So अगर प्रोजेक्ट में हो तो प्रोजेक्ट खत्म होने का इंतजार करो, बेंच पे आओ एंड बी गुड विद योर मैनेजर, मेक गुड रिलेशनशिप, एंड वो तुम्हें रिलीज दे देगा, तुम अच्छे से नई कंपनी ज्वाइन कर पाओगे, दैट टू इफ इट इज़ योर ड्रीम जॉब. Well, hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Avatar, where we unravel the realities of IT industry, the tech world, and everything that is important. We talk about that. Also, I have started, posting the gaming videos on my channel, so you guys might want to see that. It would really be amazing if you show some love there. Now, today we are going to talk about some very serious topic. It is very hot topic, to be honest, because you or any other IT guy is going to or have already faced or might be facing right now this issue. The issue's name is notice period. और भाई, to be honest, ये कोई issue है नहीं, but the managers, the IT companies, they make it a issue even though it can't be one of the major issues. So imagine this: you get your dream job and your current company is not paying you that much, and you get a really good pay in the other company when you are switching, but your current company won't let you go without paying a hefty price. Sounds familiar? I guess it does, because they either want you to serve the notice period for 3 months completely, or they give you an option to buy out the notice period by paying the full salary, which of course you can't for 3 months. Like if you are earning around I would say 50,000 for 3 months, it would be like 1,50,000, which is not fair, of course. But let me share a real life case where like one of my friends has faced it, and how I advised him to get out of it, and also how we kind of tricked the company to get the notice period null and void. And yeah, we had to pay, but of course not the salary of 3 months. He can't. His salary was around 1,20,000, and for 3 months it would be like 3,60,000. That is not fair, right? So my friend Sanket recently got a fantastic opportunity to switch companies, and it was a company in Gurgaon. And let's take the current company as ABC and the new company as XYZ. And मैं maybe confused हो जाऊँ ABC और XYZ में, but let it be. The point is, right now he was in Kanpur, UP, and now the company he has got, it is in Gurgaon. Okay, so earlier also he got the opportunity to move to Gurgaon, but the Gurgaon or Noida somewhere, and the problem was that this company, the company in Kanpur, it was asking him to serve notice period for at least 2 months and buy out 1 month. Fine. But the thing is, the other company was not ready to give a 2 month of notice period, and they couldn't wait. So for that reason, for that particular reason, he had to leave that opportunity. It was very disheartening, but what can we do? We couldn't do anything about it. Then he again tried, and for I guess a year he waited, and after getting a good opportunity, what he did was he already told the new company in Gurgaon that he's serving a notice period, even though he wasn't, and he got selected. The company was ready to take him as soon as possible, and the old company, they were playing tricks. Even though he was having no work, his project was not there. I mean, he was not on project, he was on bench, and he was not doing anything for at least a year, and the company was paying him. That all is fine, but is it fair if you are not letting a person go when he is not working on anything? I don't think it is. So after this, what he did was, of course, he told that he's serving a notice period, and in this current company, he said that he wants to resign because he has a medical condition and he can't work anymore, and that's why he wants to resign. That old company was they didn't pay him the performance bonus, because they didn't even do the performance review. Other than this, they also withheld his salary for March month, because it was end of the March when he was getting this all situation. It was created at that time, and of course they withheld his notice period. They told him that they won't be giving experience letter if he leaves just like that, because he was thinking of that. Well, yeah, you can do that, but what if other company needs your experience letter, relieving letter? You can get the salary slip, but these two things you won't get, right, until unless you get it from somewhere else or someone who has left the company and edit it. But that is not fair. So we had to play, because they were playing with him. And what they said this time, because earlier they said that you have to serve for 2 months, and then you can buy for 1 month. that is right, okay. But this time they said that yeah, you can leave, but you have to pay for 3 months. And they were not asking for just some normal amount, they were asking for full pay, and that is for 3 months. 1 month pay was 1,20,000, guys. 3,60,000 they wanted to pay. Unfair as per I know, and all the labor laws that I have gone through at that time, because I wanted to get him out of this situation. I just you know used the AI. I used ChatGPT to find out what all is going on, and then after that we smartly tricked them, and we told them that we can't be giving the whole month salary. You can only ask for the basic pay for 3 months, and that was around 40,000. So he was ready to give 1,20,000. But then also they were saying that it would be no, we can't do this and all. So we had to write some emails where we had to show the politeness, and we had to play smart. So we also included the laws that are there in India, and that they can't force us to do the work. And if we are doing something fairly, of course we are doing it fairly, so we can leave. And I guess after all these hefty things, he was his monthly salary, March month salary was like not paid by them. And then I guess in the date of around 2nd April he paid them, and he left for the new company, Gurgaon. And the experience letter and relieving letter was given to him in a week. चलो ये तो बात होगी मेरे दोस्त की. This is about my friend, but there is a case that I will tell you, and trust me, सारे मैनेजर बेकार नहीं होते हैं. Some managers are very good because they have also they might also have faced the same situation, and that's why they are good. They know what an employee is going through or will go through, and what opportunity should he get. So it is my case where I was in a company, and of course I guess many of you might know what company it was. But the thing is, in that company I was not in a project. I was about to get into a project. I was on bench at that particular time when I got an opportunity from another company. I got selected, and since I know the policies, I know how it works, I just tell the companies that my notice period is negotiable. And it is not just mine, it is yours also. Every notice period is negotiable if the manager is allowing you to leave. And my manager did. He said that if you are not in a project, then yeah, we can release you. And that is the obvious thing. Okay, so what I did was I gave my interviews. I prepared it for it well. I gave my technical, HR, and managerial round, and I got selected. Now all I had to do was convince my particular manager of the current company, and talk with the new HR that I need some time of at least a week or 2 weeks. You should take a 2-week gap before you join another company so that you can negotiate here. Okay, so I took the time. I talked to the manager and I told him that I want a release because I have gotten another opportunity. I was straightforward, and he knew that I was not on bench. Also, I would say that make good terms with your manager until unless I would say वो खड़ूस हो. नहीं है, अच्छा इंसान है, तो ट्रस्ट मी, मेक अ गुड रिलेशनशिप, एंड दे विल अंडरस्टैंड योर पॉइंट्स, दे विल अंडरस्टैंड योर सिचुएशन, एंड दे विल हेल्प यू आउट. बहुत से अच्छे मैनेजर होते हैं जो हेल्प करते हैं आपकी, और बहुत से बेकार भी होते हैं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. उनको मतलब आदत होती है उनको खड़ूस होने की, पता नहीं क्यों. इवन दो इफ़ दे हैव फेस्ड और उससे नहीं फेस किया होता है, तो पता नहीं, हो सकता है उनके मैनेजर भी ऐसे ही रहे हों. इसलिए कुछ होते हैं जिनके मैनेजर ऐसे होते हैं, बट दे आर नॉट लाइक दैट. सो डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. एंड what I will say is that he just asked me and I want the release, and I told him that I want a release by this time because I have a joining date on this. So he said, okay, I will talk to the HR and everything, and we will initiate your separation from the company. And it was so smooth. I left the company on 22nd September, and on 24th September I was joining the second company, and in between it was Sunday. So I guess I never stopped working. I was continuously in work with the first and the second company, There was no gap in between. It is like no company can hold you, okay, like a hostage or something. They can't like force you to work for them if you don't want to, until unless you know your rights, of course, right? Because you have to know that yeah, these are the laws that are present in India, and a company can't ask you to pay for the whole month's salary, because it includes allowances, HRA, and many other factors. They can only ask you for the basic pay, even if you are buying out the notice periods. So that is what you can do. So अगर प्रोजेक्ट में हो तो प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म होने का इंतज़ार करो, बेंच पे आओ एंड बी गुड विद योर मैनेजर, मेक गुड रिलेशनशिप, एंड वो तुम्हें रिलीज़ दे देगा, तुम अच्छे से नई कंपनी ज्वाइन कर पाओगे, दैट टू इफ इट इज़ योर ड्रीम जॉब. अदर देन दिस, आई वुड से दैट नो योर राइट्स, stand firm, and don't let unfair policies stop your growth. And if you have faced any familiar situation, and if you have been, or any advice that you want, you can connect with me, you can comment on this video, or you can reach out to me on my LinkedIn or Instagram, that is provided in the description, so you can reach out to me. And of course, if you found this video helpful, then you can show some love by liking, commenting, and sharing the video, and share it with all those who have faced or will be needing a video like this. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching Code with Savitar. Keep coding, keep going, keep playing games, because that is one of those things where you get peaceful. Your mind is relaxed when you play games.